Well, howdy ho, everyone. So I'm in the process of, I've only got one magazine left to do, and I was texting with Jackhammer Mike, and he's like, why don't you videotape it? And I'm like, because I'm stupid. So I'm on my last one, but I think that should be plenty. So what we're doing is we're installing Ranger plates. Really? So what I'm doing is installing Ranger plates on my AR magazines, and I've already done, let's see, 3, 6, I think like 9. And I started this one, but we're going to go ahead and finish it on video. So the first thing we have to do is the magazines are full, so we got to empty these out, because you have to depress the tension spring, and if the magazine is full, it's not going to work. Okay, you got to keep tension on here because it's going to want to pop out. So you can see it's the spring for the magazine. Then we take the Ranger plate, slide the Ranger plate on. The one thing that is a little bit of a problem is once you put the Ranger plate on, it does not fit in the magazine loader properly. You can see how it just doesn't seat in there, but it does work. And yes, this is steel case ammo, which I don't particularly care for. But like I said, I was putting Ranger plates on, let's see, 3, 6, 9, I think 12 magazines, and this is the last one. Make sure you can see this. So we've got the 30 rounds here, and again, this doesn't seat properly, so the last round's not probably going to go in. As you see, it left one round that's going to have to be put in manually. So anyway, that's the PMAG Ranger plate installation. It's that simple. And now you've got a handle to help pull it out of your magazine pouch, and also for setting it on surfaces. Gives it some grip, keeps it from sliding, and won't scratch up something like a car hood. So I don't think Mike's a big fan of the Ranger plates, but I really like them. I've got, I think, like I said, about 12 magazines now with these on them, and eventually I'm probably going to go ahead and make sure all of them are that way. My 22 long rifle, the magazines, they're a completely different make. The way they're manufactured, they don't have this solid plate on the bottom. They have like an angled one. So these are no good for the 22 long rifle magazines. But for the 223, 556, and probably like the 300 blackout and the 308, I don't think there's any problem with them. I think, yeah, these are specifically for 556. So I haven't even looked to see if they make these for like the 308 or the 300 blackout. But if you have an AR that shoots 556 or 223, they come in 3 packs, and I think they're like $10 or something. They're a pretty good investment. It's from MAGPUL, and you can get these on Amazon. All right. Hope you enjoyed that. I did. Peace.